This is an amazing thing that I was looking for, a sort of a unique present for someone who is just getting into writing, and I found this. It's called Sticker Stories, and I'm not going to open it because it is a gift, but what you have inside is these scenes and then all the stickers, which are reusable, so they can stick on the scene and then you can go again. But what I love about this is that it comes with these. So it comes with a little card inside, and you as the adult would have the card and you're going to read to them what it says on the card, and then they are going to have the scene and the stickers, and they are going to follow along with what it says on the card. So for example, this one says, on a beautiful morning when Princess Sarah walked into the forest with her unicorn. So obviously when you read that part, you'd have your forest scene, and they would look for a unicorn sticker and stick it on, and they would choose someone who's going to be a Princess Sarah and they stick it on too. So it's really developing. It says here all the key skills, their observation skills, spatial recognition, mental processing, critical thinking, and their fine motor as well, because they're doing the stickers. I just think this is such an incredible idea for something that you can normally get, like sticker scenes you can normally get, but just adding in that element of them having to follow along with what you're telling them from the story. I just think that that is so elite, and definitely something for children who are sort of developing their understanding and their comprehension. Really, really great and really fun as well. So yeah, thought that was a really unique gift. I'm giving it to a 5-year-old, so yeah, around that age when they're just starting to sort of be writing and developing all that comprehension. Really nice, love it.